Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the paint format option in Google Slide. I'm just going to show in this short video. So first of all, it means some customization on the text. For example, I just going to change the text color for here like and also I just going to change the font style here also. So this font style and this color should be applied for entire thing. You don't want to use this two option for this two. So for an example, I just also increase the font size. So I just need everything should be like this. So you just need to click on now the paint format option may plays an important role here. You just click on this. You just click inside the text that you want to change to have a copy of the format option. You just click on this paint format option. Now just paint it like this. Automatically it will change everything, change to the same font size, same font style, and what are the things that you applied, color or highlighting the text, whatever you applied, everything will be applied for the remaining text. For example, I just going to change it to normal like this Arial, and also the color should be in black. So I just need this to be same thing should be applied for this. You just click on the paint format option, just paint it like this. It also changed like this. This is how you just use the paint format option in Google Slide. It's most important tool for making your work simple. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with you super valuable content. This is the signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.